Hello smart people, and welcome to my channel. In this video tutorial on physics, we want to talk about work, energy and power. By foundational definition, we know that work is said to be done whenever a force moves a load through a perpendicular distance, a certain distance that is perpendicular to the applied force. And then we know that energy is also the ability or capacity to do work. Power is the time rate at which work is done. So this problem comes under work done. For a work to be done, a force must move a load through a certain distance in the direction perpendicular to the applied force. Now we have a load of mass. So these are the given parameter, which in physics problem, we always recommend that students fetch out the parameter given in that particular problem. So the mass is given as 50 kg, and this is pulled along a smooth frictionless 60 degrees. That's the angle theta is 60 degrees inclined plane. And that is to say, when we want to start solving, the distance given here is 10 meters. We want to start solving this problem. Force is also 45 Newton. You need to make sure that you understand the concept, and then they mention inclined plane. So if you want to diagrammatically sketch this particular problem, you could have something of this kind. Don't mind the diagram. So here we say that we have a mass of 50 kg, as this mass is 50 kg here, pulled along a smooth frictionless 60 degrees. This is where the angle is subtended inclined plane floor of 10, that this floor is 10 meter by constant force of 45 Newton. Now if you check from the basic trig identities, you will notice that for us to fix this particular formula using this curvature, you know that the adjacent is given. Here is the opposite, here is the hypotenuse, so you're considering cos theta. But then work done, work is said to be done when a force moves a distance, moves a load through a certain distance in the direction perpendicular to the applied force. And because the angle is given, and then from the trig identity, that is cos theta, and that's why we consider cos instead of sine or tan of that particular angle. So this is the formula we use in fixing this problem. So let's plug everything we have there into the problem. The force already is given as 45 Newton. And this is multiplied by the distance, which is 10 meters, multiplied by cos of that angle, which is 60 degrees. So to work on this particular problem, you need to punch what exactly is cos 60. And cos 60 will give you 0.5. So that means 45 times 10 will give you 450. And if that multiplies by 0.5, then your work done, the work done is going to be, if this multiplied by 450, so the result is 225. And what is the unit for work? Is joule. So it's very important you fix in the unit of any of the parameter you're looking for. So that's very important. Work is measured in joules. Same thing, similarly, energy is also in joules. That's all from me to you in this video. I hope you found this helpful. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like this video if you found it helpful, and please make sure to share. Comment if you have any question and if you have any contribution to this problem. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.